But imagine creating Hollywood level cinematic videos without a camera, without actors, and without expensive production. Today I'm inside Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2 and I'm going to show you my complete workflow step by step directly on the Higgsfield AI website, and I'm also going to show you what other content creator created using it. Okay, so we'll create a full cinematic AI scene together using the Higgsfield AI Video Generator, and then I'll show you how powerful AI filmmaking has become. If you're into AI video, cinematic storytelling, or content creation, this might change your workflow forever. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2 is out now and is redefining AI filmmaking. With the Higgsfield AI Video Generator, creators can produce stunning cinematic AI video scene directly in the browser. No apps, no complex software, just pure creativity powered by AI. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or storyteller, Cinematic Studio 2 unlocks next level cinematic production in minutes. Okay, so let's see. Now we need to get into Cinematic Studio and type in this website higgsfield.ai. So you can just type and go into your browser, type in higgsfield.ai, and then hit enter. It's going to take you to the Higgsfield AI website. Now once you're in the website, you can actually check out. If you're not logged in yet, you can actually log in into their website. I'm going to see offer. After you log in, you get limited offer. Use Cinematic Studio 2, and for right corner you're going to see Cinematic Studio 2. So I just open it up, and then so we can come back to Higgsfield AI website another time. Now I'll click on Video Generator. So let's kind of see what we can do. Now once you open, you're going to get to where this is, and at the top right corner you can hide or showcase the panel. At the left hand side you can actually add new project if you want to work on 2 or 3 to 4, as many projects as you want. You can also choose a new folder. Okay, so you can arrange your folder. You see how organized this is. You can create new folders. Now down below you can choose to use image to generate your AI video, or you can use video you shot to generate your AI video. You can describe your scenes, but let's come over here. You can use batch size 2 or 1/4 batch size. You can also choose your aspect ratio 1:3, and also you can choose your video resolution, either 2K, 4K, 1K, and depends on how powerful your PC is or your laptop is or system is. And then you choose all of these, because some are actually going to slow down your computer. You can also choose your grid size. You can choose your art. Now this art, I'll kind of explain it. If you want 2 or 3, if there are 2 or 3 elements in your scene, you can add. If you want to create, let's say you don't want to use video, but you want to tell the AI that you want to use either 3 to 4 elements, like human, 3 human, or 4 being, or you can use water. You can use any description you want. You can create them, and then you can just click on add instrument. So that's for that. Now one best thing is that you can choose your camera. So if you click on this slide, you can choose, you need to use different camera when shooting cinematic videos. So you can choose your lens, you can choose your focal length, you can choose your aperture, you can choose your camera, like I said, and this you can save your setup. You can see, so this is actually mind-blowing right now. All right, so important note, Higgsfield does not have a mobile app. Everything happens on the website, so you need to come to higgsfield.ai with your browser, maybe through your system, and then you can come and load this up. So what I love immediately is clean cinematic layout, scene creation panel, prompt control, and then once you're done with uploading all of this, let's say we want to choose an image, we can just click on that, and we also have prompt control system. We can just quickly describe our scene. So this already feels like a professional filmmaking control room. All right, so now I'm going to generate a cinematic AI video scene. So let's click new project. Now we're going to start a new project, and you can see that as I create a new project, we have two new projects right here. New project, we have another new folder. Okay, so this is our project we are working on now. If I click on another one, it's going to actually appear. So we can have two or more projects working in the scene, and then we can actually load. If we want to generate an image, we can describe the image. If we want to generate a video, we can describe the video. You can just take a look. So now, because we want to generate a video, we can describe director panel. You can choose auto movement. So I'm going to leave it at auto movement. You can choose static, you can choose auto movement, and 360 row, the movement you want. Okay, so let's just choose auto movement. And now how many shots do we want? Do we want multiple shots or single shot? Let's choose a single shot. We want the aspect ratio, we want let's choose 9:6 aspect ratio, and the quality I want to 720. And general, you can choose action or whichever one you want to do. The scene is what you want to choose here. So let's just choose a very simple scene. I'm going to choose comedy, and you can choose to turn off the audio or turn the audio on, and just leave the batch size as 1/6. And also this one, just don't worry about speed ramping. So if you want to do manual speed ramping, or you want the way you control your speed ramping, how the speed is, you can choose this as well. So duration 5 seconds, and you can choose start frame. Your start frame, you can upload the start frame or and I can also go to end frame, choosing end frame, and that's just the best part. Once you choose the start frame, end frame, you describe your.
Now select your gear, like the camera sensor, lens, focal length. Now write your scene prompt describing the lighting, subject and environment, and generate your image. Next, direct the motion. Set your camera movements such as pan, tilt, stroke or zoom. Now adjust the speed ramp to control slow motion or acceleration. Now pick a genre like comedy, horror, action or suspense. Add characters and assign their emotions. Finally, generate your video in 1080p model. This then animates your hero frame with cinematic continuity, giving you full director level